Hello, beautiful people. Always glad to see you back for more. Let's get into it, shall we? We'll be exploring the airbrush. Now, to me, the texture looks like a spray can. Now, your speed is directly proportional to the opacity. The slower you move, the more you deposit, the darker. First, we give it a basic trial. One size, 3 shades, and it looks aight. Second trial, we play around with the tone and alter the size. When I lower the opacity, it allows me to shade slower with more control. I'm not sure what it is, but I hope you can see the slight difference. Now the big guns. You know what's up. Google! Let's give this picture a shot. For this, you have to get your proportions right. We start off with the black. Due to the nature of this brush, it's really hard to make the edges straight. Slowly shade out. Make sure you get the lines on the pillars correct. It completes the whole depth effect. I am shocked how this is turning out, and for me to do it this quick, the Holy Spirit is at work here. Come on. The goal here is not accuracy, we're just using the picture as a template. If you want to see what else I did with this brush, please click on the link above. Just a few more details, straighten up the edges with a pencil, and voila! Hope you all enjoyed this. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. So until next time, kwaheri.